Kia ora everyone, my name is Sarah Duncan.
And my name's Hope Lovely. Welcome to our first virtual assembly of 2022. We are so excited to be your student leaders for this year and to get alongside you and support you throughout it.
We hope that you enjoy this video. This video is a little bit about the different things that we've been up to as a school over the past couple of weeks. Hope you enjoy. Justin!
Kia ora, I'm Justin.
And I'm Amira, and we're the Deputy Head Students. You might have noticed some Valentine's fairies going around on Valentine's Day.
Here's the recap.
I'm Jack,
And I'm Amy.
and we are your sports captains for this year.
A couple days ago we had the Year 13 style volleyball match. We unfortunately lost 28-26, but next time we'd really appreciate a lot of support and we might actually win, guys.
Which is touch rugby in week 10.
On to montage. Going, guys.
To the theme announcement.
Drive.
2.
Stay.
Driven.
Explanation mark.
Our theme this year is Strive to be Driven. It's all about acknowledging that to really push yourself, you need to feel as if you're in a safe environment.
We really want to encourage you to push your limits and step outside your comfort zone this year. And in order to do that, you need that really safe and supportive environment. We want to instill in you a drive so that you may achieve your success here at school.
Great start to the year, Mountie. Let's continue to drive to be driven.